on the Walmart's budget brand for pretty much anything technology related. They're the company that makes monitors, USB-B cords, radio gadgets, TVs, and much more. However, we're looking into Walmart's streaming stick, the on Full HD streaming device. This will also be this will be a new type of content that I'm gonna be working on. It's unboxing. It's like an unboxing review and first impressions content as well as setup. So hope you enjoyed the video and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now let's get on with the video. First, don't question my box opening skills. I do not have good enough fingers. If you guys can't tell, there is specs. It is not like the best specs, but still optimal for like use with streaming and watching YouTube and whatnot. Honestly, we don't know why. It does include stuff like Google Cast, a voice remote, and a lot more. In the box, there's, if I can get it out. Well, what the fuck? In the box, there's another box. Hey Walmart, have you considered trying to save up? Now inside, you will see a quick start guide and the stick, which looks like this. It uses USB Type-C, not USB Type-C, but micro USB, and it connects directly to your HDMI. Supports up to Android 14 as far as I'm aware. Then right inside is the HDMI extender, which is useful if you're gonna be like, if you have like a short cord, and the power brick. Now that's not all. As right under here is the remote and the batteries come with the remote. Now let's go start it up. So after a reboot, I finally got up. And it was stuck on installing everything, and well, you know. But now we have it set up. We have For You, we have Live, we have Apps, and we have Library. Of course, since I do need to do a couple of things before, and I want to make sure I have everything set up. It's okay to download their app with something installed. Well, there's Google TV plugins. Really how this looks. It's really nice for the user interface. Downloader. 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 Okay, so it doesn't all work. Nice. Son of a motherfucker. Yeah, because I'm also going to be setting up in a couple. I'm going to try installing some apps too.
Results for downloader.
Wow, thanks, Google. The app I'm trying to look for is called like YouTube Origin or some crap like that. Of course, here is all the buttons on the remote. There's a microphone button, a profile button, an input button, a settings button, a power button. All with the buttons for controlling the interface as seen here. Home button, live TV button, back button, mute button, channel buttons, volume buttons, and then streaming app buttons. YouTube Origin. YouTube Origin. What the fuck? Oh, I need to figure out what the fuck is going on. Apps. System. Devices. Microphone. What the fuck? I'm trying to look for my Google thing. YouTube. Just one of my friends brought up YouTube Origin, so I'm trying to download it because I am tired of having to see ads every time I want to watch YouTube on my TV. YouTube on demand. What the fuck is YouTube on demand? Whatever. scroll down. Hurry up. Yes, seeing this is it. See archiver. Oh. Yeah, hold on. Post TV. Send files to TV. Really? We're back again. After God knows how long it's setting this up, now I should be able to run YouTube perfectly fine now. Using Acre alternatives, obviously.
Okay, if everything goes to plan, you should be able to go to thatwasmadebymaddie.com right now and buy the product that we're about to build
It's working.
in this video. And that means I designed a prototype of the invention here in the Unnecessary Studio.
Now, this doesn't have a pause button, which I prefer. Then what would happen if I did like TV? So it just takes me home. This is where we just did a home button. You gotta be kidding me. Clear TV. Wait. Requires clear TV? Clear TV to my channels off of this local TV. Now Roku has it. Hey guys, this is Roku TV. It's gonna take a bit. What button did I just press? Actual YouTube, really? There we go. Let's try this out. Hey, what's a Clear TV? What the That was perfect. Okay, yep, definitely working.
Come on, there's gotta be a better way.
Ooh. Ooh. Yikes. What? Well, that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more content like this, you guys can check in the description down below, and for my Patreon and my merch store, because it will help me make more videos like this, as well as help me support getting a gaming PC so I can start making gaming videos in the future. But I hope you guys like this and like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.